washing the hair again today. Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and it's kind of hard for me to talk because there's so much shit around my mouth and in my mouth. But welcome to another day of 31 days of Halloween here on my channel. If you guys are excited to see how to get this look or any of my other 31 days of Halloween, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Yeah. This is a zombie that has eaten recently, I guess. I didn't go with a super unrealistic zombie. I did super red eyes and bruising with a super gory, gross, fleshy looking mouth. Yeah. Fudge. It's fine. You're gonna get messy during this look, but super simple to create. If I can figure it out not knowing what I'm doing, you guys can figure it out too. I think it looks pretty gnarly, and of course you can just keep adding blood to your little heart's content. But that is pretty much it for the intro. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment with what you are most excited to see for Halloween, and I will probably sometimes do it. So let's get into the video, guys. So I'm starting off by taking some cotton balls and unrolling them, tearing up small pieces of cotton so we can make our disgusting fleshy looking mouth. Now that we have our cotton prepped, we're going to go ahead and pour out some liquid latex. I'm just using a paper plate and some plastic spatulas that I found at the Dollar Tree in a 3-pack. And we're going to start to apply this to our face. I'm putting it on both of my cheeks, and I end up on my chin too. I just put down a thin layer of liquid latex and then lay the cotton over it and then cover the cotton in liquid latex again. For this look, the chunkier and more textured your cotton and latex is, the better, because it's going to look all funky and like human flesh. Also, sorry if you can hear my baby cooing in the background. Make sure you work in a well-ventilated area in case your liquid latex is gross and smelly. You can always go back and even out your face if you want to. I noticed one cheek had far more latex, going further out toward my ears than the other side, so I just added to one side. I also added some to my chin, so once that is all dry, we're just going to wait it out and then come back. Now that we're dry, I'm going to take some loose translucent powder and heavily powder this so we can blend on top of it a lot easier. Now I'm taking a red multi-stick from Wet n Wild and lining my eyes super heavy, top and bottom water lines, and then I end up blending it downward from my tear duct to make it kind of look like I'm crying blood. I started out with that thought in my mind. We change it here in a minute. Now we're going to outline our whole little prosthetic piece with this red multi-stick. This is just going to add some irritation and grossness more to our piece. If you're actually going to be wearing this out, I suggest dropping it down your neck more and more, but I mean, not for me. Now I'm taking a red shadow and a blending brush and smudging all of that liner out all the way around my prosthetic and kind of up onto the latex as well. I definitely did not wait long enough, so my latex is still a little wet, but we're working with it. I'm also filling in these little craters on the sides of my cheek. Now I'm taking an orange eyeshadow and blending that over the rest of the latex. This is all about layering colors and textures to make an overall gross and nasty looking thing on our face. By far the worst part of this was getting eyeshadow on my teeth. That was so disgusting. Now I'm taking green, red, and black cream paints and applying that to the entire prosthetic. I mainly keep the black in the like little crater moment things I created onto my cheeks, but the green and red go over the entire prosthetic. Now I'm applying a purple liquid lipstick to my lips, super messy, and kind of dotting this throughout the latex as well. Like I said, it's all about adding different colors and layers. I'm also taking a super dark, like purple black vampy lipstick and adding that to my lips and kind of all the way around my prosthetic again. I also add this coming out of my nose to make it look like my nose is bleeding a little bit. And out of my eyes, like on my lower eyelid area, and blending it out with my finger. I just wanted my eyes to look super red and irritated. I gave up on the blood part. The bottom of my lipstick had this matching lip gloss, which was even better to blend out because it was more oily and gross feeling. Once you're done and satisfied with all of your colors and layers, it's time for the best part, which is blood. I'm starting off with scab blood scab, and one of the spatulas, and it is so gross. Like I said, you're gonna get messy doing this look. I definitely got blood all over my shirt, but I'm just layering this in the spots I want it to be chunkier and around my mouth a lot. Now I'm just spreading that onto one of these cut up sea sponges and adding some regular fake blood and kind of tapping it out with a regular makeup wedge and dotting that over my face and then going in with the sea sponge for more texture. More blood on my shirt. Nothing is safe. I'm just kind of placing the blood where I think I want more of it built up, and then we're taking the sea sponge and stamping over it to create a lot of texture. I'm also going to add a few stamps onto my forehead and temples just to give a little more realism, I guess. And I almost forgot my favorite part. I was testing out how I like this look. I got blood everywhere, but I decided I needed something else, so I'm taking a super dark vampy colored liquid lipstick and applying that to my teeth. So gross. So that's it for this look. I can't really talk because I have shit on my teeth. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more spooky shit all 31 days of Halloween. I got blood all over my shirt again. It's a problem I have. So I am gonna go take all this off and take a shower. Bye guys.